Alright, nigga. This is a how to kill bunk tutorial. Alright, see. So first, you gonna need a kill bunk beat, right? And this nigga's beats are like pretty fucking simple, because it's just like, if you can find G Hughes doing this one, G Hughes do this one.
Fucking hate you.
R&B nigga, Danny Phantom, either one of them niggas work. You want the just the same shit over and over. You want to make that bitch maybe max a minute 50 to 2 minutes, because that nigga songs be short as shit. And then first thing you want to work on with your vocals, you gotta do like a raspiness to them. You gotta, I don't really care anymore. I don't really care anymore. Like, nigga, you gotta be depressed like you ain't drink water a day in your fucking life. This shit, it goes crazy. Like, even for the main. Wouldn't be alive. I try so hard. Like, you just gotta keep going with that bullshit. You gotta stick to it, right? And then next you gonna want to do the intros and shit. Intros and outro, nigga always has that extra bullshit on it. The fucking making it sound like you in a fucking house party, like 4 blocks down. I try so hard just to keep myself alive, but I really wanna die. For the intro, and then my late thoughts, I don't even wanna be alive, but I try, bitch, I really try, yeah. I try, bitch, I really try, yeah. I try. Alright, and then for the mixing's pretty fucking simple. First, you have the first mix, right? You have this shit a little bit lower, because max, it'll be a little loud. You know, you want that shit to sound. Wouldn't be alive. I try so. You know, you get easy auto tune. You can just copy this bullshit. B minor. Motherfucking EQ is pretty simple too. You just want the fucking sharpness to be up there. It just needs to be up there, cutting out lows. Maximus, same shit for just de-essing. Fucking sound goodizer. Not on max, just to give it a little chef kiss on that bitch. You know, all this shit, we don't even compress the vocals out here, bro. And literally the slightest bit, just the slightest bit of reverb, because it don't matter. Then on my alt mix, just to boost the mix to make it sound a little better. You know, you got the, this is the compression. Now you want 24, and then 3.0. You want to EQ that bitch, EQ the lows. Just turn it down a little bit so that the voice ain't too loud. Then you boost it a little bit if it's a little too low. Then you just cut down on the high mids just a little bit. You got the Maximus for second layer de-essing. And then this is what I put on the vocals for the fucking preset noisy neighbors. Then boom, that's how you get the extra shit. Then you just put it all together. I try so hard just to keep myself alive, but I really wanna die. Bitch, I laugh through the pain, bitch, I cry all night. I don't really care anymore. I know that you don't. I feel like I'm really gonna die up in this home. I don't like to live, I don't like to die. I just really don't wanna be alive. I try so hard just to keep myself alive, but I really wanna die. Bitch, I laugh through the pain, bitch, I cry all night. Taking twisted fantasy, I can't lie. I don't wanna care anymore about you. All this shit now that I bought you. Kill like late nights, I just don't wanna be alive. Bitch, I'm really sad, I wanna die. Like late nights, I just really wanna die. Said, baby, yeah, look me in my motherfucking eyes. Yo, why you gotta treat me like this? Yeah, why you gotta treat me like shit? I try so hard just to keep myself alive, but I really wanna die. Bitch, I laugh through the pain, bitch, I cry all night. Taking twisted fantasy, I can't lie. Late nights, I just really wanna be alive. Like in my head, I think about you, I wanna die. Like I don't wanna care anymore, scared even more. Twisted thoughts in my brain, I feel like Paramore. Yeah, late thoughts, I don't even wanna be alive, but I try. Bitch, I really try, yeah. I try. Bitch, I really try, yeah. I try. See, and it's that fucking simple, nigga. Like the motherfucking video, nigga. I don't care, bro. This shit was fun. I'm bored. Kill yourself.